Hello guys, good day, good day. This is Chef Mario Castillo again and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, we will cook an easy and simple squid recipe that we call calamari. Fried calamari. I think in Italy they call it calamari, and in Spain and in the Philippines we call it calamares. So I'm gonna do this with my one and only sous chef, my princess,
Hi guys.
and
Galaxy?
our chef de party Galaxy. The ingredients are the squid, cleaned, sliced, and skinned. 2 whole eggs beaten up, flour, cornstarch, garlic powder, Himalayan salt, and pepper. The first thing we're gonna do is to heat up our oil. So now I put some oil on the pan. Medium heat, medium high heat. Now guys, in a bowl, need to mix the dry mixture. 1:1 measurement or 1:1 ratio of flour and cornstarch. A little bit of Himalayan salt. Summer will crush some pepper. And the garlic powder. Just a little bit. Thank you. Now mix it. And that's for our dry coating. And for our squid, need to put a little bit of Himalayan salt. Garlic powder, crushed black pepper, and a little bit of cornstarch. By the way guys, this is not the authentic calamari recipe. This is my own recipe and I hope you like it. Now we're gonna mix it. Make sure or be sure that your hands are clean.
It sounds nice.
Eggs in. Little bit more of cornstarch. Little bit more of flour. And now Summer will mix the squiddy. Mix it properly, baby. I'll hold the bowl.
It feels nice.
My 9-year-old daughter.
39.
Mix it evenly.
More?
Mix it properly. That the coating will be even. Thank you.
We're gonna try it now. Taste test. Nice and fried. Crispy. It tastes so good. Okay.
So guys, we're gonna put some. We're gonna do the basically a shortcut of the wet dry method, because all the wet mixture here. So we're gonna get some squid, dip it in the dry mixture. This is my favorite part, the tentacles. Cover it properly. Give it a little shake. Try it. Don't overcrowd your pan too much so that the temperature of your oil will not go down. By the way guys, when you're frying the calamari, just like 1 to 2 minutes per side, or if it's deep fried, just 2.5 minutes, because it should be crispy outside but the squid is still cooked, not overcooked, not undercooked. Because if you cook the squid under time, it will be hard. If you cook it because if you cook the squid too long, it will be rubbery. Squid should be cooked fast or longer. You know, the faster you cook it or the longer you cook it, that's the best time of cooking squid. Hi guys, now the calamari is done. Well, before we eat, I'm gonna slice some ingredients and make an Asian dipping sauce. So let's do this. Sliced ginger, minced or diced onions, half is enough. Crushed pepper, garlic powder in, Vinegar in.
Vinegar. In.
And a pinch of Himalayan salt.
And a pinch of Himalayan salt.
So Summer will mix it with a teaspoon.
This.
That is good. Thank you. So our Asian dip is done. Let's eat. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like and share the video. Please do not forget to leave a comment and please do share my video. Until next time, peace.
Bye bye. Peace.